Hi, this is John with WTI, and I've been in the process of restoring my Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this guy here, this backplate, this back glass by Perzework is just one of the essentials. And let me tell you why is this so good or has been so good for me. Well, as the back cover, the back glass have been shattered and the fact that this is so easy to install. It's really nice because it gives you different options. It has a peel-on cover that if you take it out and you just place it over the whole chassis of your S21 Ultra, it just sticks directly. But if you really want to get a really nice seal, it comes with some liquid glue that you can just put in the different corners of your S21 Ultra and it's gonna stick there. Has all the different qualities and tools that you're going to need to just do the job, and it makes you feel like even though if you're not a professional at refurbishing or changing different parts of your phone, it's gonna make so much easier and you're going to save. In my case, I save a lot of money by just doing it on my own, and this is like a win-win situation for me. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.